Let's solve this problem by factoring in the form of ax squared plus bx is equals to 0. Here's our problem. We have 3x squared plus 2x is equals to 0. First, tingnan po natin yung kanilang constant at hahanapin po natin yung kanilang common factor. So, ang pinakamadali dyan, we just divide the number, yung malaking number dun sa mas maliit na number. Kung walang remainder, so ang ating maging common factor yung kanyang divisor. Can we divide 21 by 3? Yes, that's equals to 7. And therefore, ang ating maging common factor is equals to 3 ng atin pong 3 and 21 kasi tinatawag din po natin itong GCF or the greatest common factor. Now, of course, kung kinuha po natin yung para sa whole number, gagawin din po natin yan sa kanyang variable. So, we have x squared at saka x ang kanilang magiging common factor. Kung alin yung mas malit ang value sa kanilang exponent, yun po yung kanilang common factor. So, that's x. Pagkatapos po nun, we have to multiply this. Then, factor out. So, mahalaga po itong nandito kasi ang ating magiging factor ay nakasalalay dito sa ating sagot. So, let's find out. To find for the first factor, we have here 3x. Ang galing po yung 3x na yan. We just multiply this. That's 3x. And therefore, we have here 3x as our common factor. Then, kung i-divide po natin yung atin pong 21 sa 3, that's equals to 7. And of course, if we divide 3 by itself, that equals to 1. Ibig sabihin nun, meron dito 1 to check. We have 3x times x, that's equals to 3x squared. Then, 3 times 7, that's equals to 21. So, tapos na. Ang next natin na hakbang is just simply to find for or to set for their factors. Hahatiin po natin yan sa gitna to find for the value of your x. So, that's equals to 3x. Ito muna ang gagawin natin. Then, divide both sides by 3. Cancelled out. Our x is equals to 0. The next one is yung x plus 7. That's equals to x plus 7 is equals to 0. Then, lipat po si number 7. Going to the right, since that's positive, it will become negative. Therefore, our x is equals to 7, negative. Thus, our factor is, or the value of our x is 0 and 7. Now, let's go through the next problem. Same process po tayo. We have to find for the common factor of 8 and 4. So, ang kanilang common factor is 4. Since yung 4 ay pwede naman po natin divide doon sa 8. Next is to find for the factors of x squared and x. At tulad ng nagawa natin kanina, that's x. So, therefore, ang ating value ay magiging x ng kanilang common factor. Now, set aside after that, so we have to factor out, just multiply. Ito po ang first factor natin, that's the common factor. And then, if we have just to divide, tulad ng nasabi ko po kanina, we have to divide 8 divided by 4, that's equals to 2. And 4 divided by 4, that's equals to 1. So, we have here 4x multiplied by 2x plus 1, that's our factor, which is equals to 0. Then, set aside na po natin factor, hahatiin natin sa gitna. So, we have here 4x is equals to 0, and that's equals to 0. Remember, pag 0 po yung nasa labas, then we have only one term, lagi pong 0 ang sagot po. Next is for the second fact, our value of our x, that's equals to 2x plus 1. Then we have to transpose positive 1 going to the right, that would become negative. Then by dividing both sides by 2, we have to divide this both sides by 2. Our final answer is equals to 1/2. Have a nice day.